Welcome guys to this video. In this video I will show you how to add a VPN on your Windows 10 on your PC. So I will show you how to do that quickly and easy, so let's start. So first just click here, open your settings. You will find a mini button. Click right now on network and internet. So right now just you have to go to this option VPN, click. If you have already one, you can connect it to it easily, but right now you want to add a VPN connection. What you have to do, click here, add a VPN connection. Here you had to click on to add this information, for example connection name, server name or addresses, username, password and VPN provider. And then when you finish, click save. And if you want to remember your sign-in information, just make sure that you turn on this button here. And that's it guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.